big.
You recording
Trust me.
already?
Ready?
I'm wearing white.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
Me being an idiot. Take one.
Do it.
Come on, crank it after your head, Walter.
Hold on. Take two. That was just to hold my hair back.
Okay, that works.
Okay, here we go. Hold on, hold it higher.
Okay, a
dude.
little higher, a
Hold
little
it-
higher.
Okay, you ready? That's gross. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Just to hold it firmly, man.
I did!
Come on.
Okay,
This is
last time.
embarrassing.
One more time.
Okay,
This is
take
a break.
3.
Okay.
Ah!
He threw up watermelon.
Can I go have a shower?
Ew. How did it get on the back of your head?
What?
You've got watermelon piece right there. What is that one?
No, no, no.
You want a piece? It's still yummy.
No.
Look.
Ew. Ew. Oh.
I'm gonna go wash my face.